Design is difficult. Most think it's subjective and it's impossible to learn. Plus, when it comes to the art of video creation, everyone struggles to create realistic and stunning videos, stuck trying to navigate clunky, slow, brand-name desktop softwares. Welcome to DropMock, the high-end premium cloud-based design suite that includes hundreds of ready-made authentic scenes, directed by our professional videography staff and dedicated team of high-end designers. Here at DropMock, we decided to change the rules and turn the art of design into a science, so anyone can create beautiful mock-ups with a simple 3-step process. Select, customize, market. First, select from one of DropMock's 100+ original in-house mock-up scenes. Second, customize with one click, inserting your own content into the template. Finally, market. Showcase your creation, giving your marketing a complete professional facelift. DropMock also has a state-of-the-art scene creator that allows you to design that perfect scene every single time. Plus, it includes a drag-and-drop editing suite that is seamless, clean, and powerful, integrated through a partnership with Adobe. Make stunning design simple. Join the DropMock family today.